Hi guys! Welcome to Young's Corner! So, as you notice, so kung papansin nyo, medyo mahina ang ating boses dahil natutulog na ang mga tao sa aming bahay at nasa isang room lang kami ng aking nobra. Siyempre, ayaw natin siyang gisingin. So, tinitingnan ko. Kasi, diba? Anyway, for today's vlog, bago natin pag-usapan ang vlog for today, pag-usapan muna natin kung okay ba tayo dyan. How you are all doing? Are you doing okay or are you doing not so okay or just are you doing meh? So, if you're not doing okay or kahit na you're doing okay, I just wanted to encourage you guys that that this too shall pass, and by God's grace He will sustain us, and by God's grace matatapos din tong hard times, sufferings, and this pandemic, because sa future we will look back na nagpasan natin yan by God's grace. And I hope and I pray that we keep our faith to God and to not lose hope, and to just believe that He will turn things around, because our God is good and He is all powerful, so He can solve these things. Kung na-solve niya yung mga problema natin dati, masasolve din niya yung problema natin ngayon. Coffee is good. So, for today's vlog, we will be comparing two crochet hooks that I bought from Akozon Japan. So, if you're not new to my YouTube channel, alam nyo na binili ko yun sa Akozon Japan. And if you're new in this channel, you can kung gusto nyo malaman paano ko in-order and kung ano yung feedback ko from Akozon Japan, view the description below. Nandun yung links sa vlogs na yun. And I also did a unboxing and first impression of this crochet hook. So for the crochet hooks that we will be talking or comparing for today's vlog. Ano ba yung crochet hooks na i-compare natin or paglalabanin natin for today? So, our first contender is the Tulip Etimo red crochet hook set. So, ayan siya. Ayan siya. The second contender is the Akozon QZLKNIT black crochet hooks. So these crochet hooks are specially made for dark colored yarns. So if you are working with dark colored yarns or crocheting dark colored yarns, these crochet hooks should help you on crocheting kasi mahirap mag-crochet with dark colored yarns. Ang hirap makita ng stitches. So yan yung kinreate nila, dark colored hooks. Kasi siguro kasi para kalabanin yung dark colored yan. Charot. So for today's vlog, we will do a comparison review, and we will have 5 questions to ask while comparing them. And number 1, what are the materials used for this crochet hooks? So kung gawa ba siya sa rubber or plastic. So yun yung round 1 natin ng comparison. Round 2 is how heavy or how light they are. Masyado bang mabigat to work with or masyadong magaan? So ayan, tinitignan ko, may tao sa labas. Sa round 3, are they ergonomic to crochet with? Okay ba siyang gamitin or mahirap gamitin while nagko-crochet? Number 4, how well they work with different yarn colors? And number 5, is the price cheaper or is it too expensive? So, is it worth the price ba na bilhin tong Tulip Etimo red or bilhin yung QZLKNIT? Masyado bang mahal or masyadong mura? So, those are the 5 points or 5 rounds of this comparison review of these crochet hooks. So, what are we waiting for? Let's now review them and compare. Okay, let's now start the comparison review. So for round 1, we will be asking what are the materials used on these crochet hooks. So first off, we have QZLKNIT Akozon crochet hook, and the material used for this is plastic for the handle. Ito. Then, para dun sa, I don't know kung anong tawag dito, but, and then, ito, rubber siya. Ito, metal. So, pag ganyan, tinunog-tunog mo siya ganyan, metal siya. So, yun yung materials na ginamit dito. And I think this is pretty durable since this is metal. And then, yung pagka-plastic naman niya, hindi yung manipis na plastic. So, yun, that are the those are the materials used for QZLKNIT Akozon black crochet hooks. And then, dito naman tayo sa Tulip Etimo red. So, for Tulip Etimo red, siya, yan. This is also made from metal. So, pinangalan mo siya, metal din siya, hindi siya tunog plastic. And then this one, ito, rubber. So, hindi lang ako sure kung pure rubber or may halong plastic. So, ayan, rubber siya. So, doon gawa yung Tulip Red Etimo. Is it durable? Yes, I think this is durable kasi yung feels niya, hindi siya masyadong parang magaan na parang, alam mo yun, parang anytime pag binagsak mo, masisira siya or magputol. And I've tried this too with crocheting and they're pretty durable naman. So, for this round, wins, I think both wins for this round. They are pretty durable and I think tatagal tong mga to sa crocheting. I think years ang tatagal nitong dalawang hooks. Okay, for our next round, we will be asking what is the weight of these crochet hooks and are they too heavy to use or too light? So, first up, we'll have QZLKNIT. Piliin natin yung medyo malaki sa size na hook. So, 5mm. Let's try this. Compare them. Tulip Red Etimo 5mm and then QZLKNIT 5mm. So, QZLKNIT is actually heavier. For Red Tulip or Tulip Red Etimo is actually lighter. So, ayun. Dahil nga ito, parang yung pagka-metal nito, itong QZLKNIT is mas mabigat and plastic siya. So, ayun. I think yung bigat dito nag-start. So, I think yung mabigat talagang part is yung mismong hook na yung metal part. And for Tulip naman, is actually lighter. So, ayun. Medyo light din yung feeling nung hook part or nitong metal part. So, for this round, I think Tulip wins or Tulip Etimo Red wins this round 1-1. Sige, basta ito ang nanalo, guys. Mahirap mag-English, naiiyak na ako. So, basta ito ang nanalo because lighter siya. So, it means na hindi siya masyadong nakakangawit to work with. Pero hindi ko naman sinasabi na sobrang bigat nito. It's just Tulip Etimo Red is lighter than this one. So, Tulip Etimo Red wins. Round 3, we will be asking if they are ergonomic crochet hooks. Okay ba siyang gamitin? Hindi ba siya mahirap gamitin? So, let's try it with my current project, which is a grocery bag that I bought from ni Manaan. So, hindi ako masyadong sure how to pronounce yung username is Instagram, pero binili ko yan sa Etsy shop niya. So, kung ergonomic ba sila, I've actually been using these crochet hooks and I think they are both ergonomic. But for this video, I will try to use them. So, I am using 3.5 for this crochet grocery bag for my current project. So, first up, we will be using QZLKNIT Akozon crochet hook 3.5. So, pag ginagamit siya, usually ito ka nakahawak and I think it fits perfectly. Oopsie, hindi ko nakatayo. Ayan. So, ang ganda lang no, medyo manipis siya, tapos pag ganyan ka humawak, sarap niyang gamitin. But I think but I think this varies from different crocheters because yung way ko ng paghawak is kung paano ko humawak ng pen. Others are ganito humawak, so hindi ako sure kung okay ba siya pag ganito. Hindi man ako sanay ng ganon. So as you can see, ang ganda lang fit ng hook sa kamay ko. Sakto lang din yung rubber or yung grip kung saan mo ilalagay yung thumb mo. Yan. So I think okay siyang gamitin. So, is it ergonomic? Is QZLKNIT Akozon crochet hook ergonomic? Yes, it is good to crochet. Now try Tulip Etimo. So, ito yung madalas ko din gamitin, Tulip Etimo, kasi may dalagyan siya. So, kahit saan ko siya dalhin. So, let's continue crocheting. So, ito namang Tulip Etimo, it's actually thinner compared to QZLKNIT. So, mas madali siyang gamitin. And lighter siya, so hindi siya masyadong mabigat crochet. So, kung mapapansin nyo, mas mabilis ako mag-crochet with this crochet hook. So, is it ergonomic? Yes, it is very ergonomic. I can really, work with this longer. Both are ergonomic, but me, I prefer Tulip Etimo red crochet hook because it is actually lighter and thinner compared to QZLKNIT crochet hook, and this is actually shorter, so yung pag-crochet kong ganyan, mas mabilis siya ng konti, mas nakakarating agad siya dito, mas nakukuko agad as compare with QZLKNIT kasi mas mataas siya or mas mahaba siya. So, ang winner for this round is Tulip Etimo. It is more ergonomic. Pero hindi ko naman sinasabi na hindi to ergonomic. I think this varies per crocheter. So, siguro kung malaki yung kamay ko, mas gugustuhin ko to. Kasi kung masyadong maliit yung crochet hook, hindi ko rin gusto yun. Like, yung traditional crochet hooks na nabibili natin na mapapayat na aluminum hooks. Like, yung 3.5 nun, hindi ko masyadong trip kasi ang nipis niya. So, kung malaki siguro yung kamay nung gagamit nito, mas magugustuhan niya itong QZLKNIT kaysa dito sa Tulip Etimo. But for me, the winner for the ergonomic season is Tulip Etimo.